Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate-covered strawberries fast. First, select fresh, firm strawberries. Wash them gently and dry them completely. Any moisture will prevent the chocolate from sticking properly. Next, prepare your workspace by laying out parchment paper and setting up a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl for melting your chocolate. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now let's melt the chocolate. For speed and best results, use good quality chocolate chips or a melting bar. You can use a double boiler for gentle, even melting, or a microwave. If using a microwave, heat in short bursts, about 30 seconds at a time, stirring well after each interval. This prevents burning and ensures your chocolate is perfectly smooth and ready for dipping. With your chocolate melted, it's time to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the chocolate, twisting gently to coat. Lift it out and let any extra chocolate drip back into the bowl. Place the dipped strawberries onto your parchment paper. If you want to add a decorative touch, drizzle with a contrasting chocolate or sprinkle with toppings right away before the chocolate sets. Finally, to set your chocolate-covered strawberries quickly, place them in the refrigerator. They should be firm and ready in about 15 to 20 minutes. Once the chocolate is completely set, they are ready to enjoy or package. For optimal freshness, store your delicious creations in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They are best enjoyed within 1 to 2 days for peak flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.